List of video editing for XP. Choose one of these. EZ Video, Windows Movie Maker, VSDC. VirtualDub also is free good app. EZV and VSDC are not free to use for the web. You need to purchase the license, but they works perfectly on XP. Your best option is the open source community. Let's find out. Just as a note before proceed. I tried OpenShot but it didn't work for me. Blender is the best I have known until now, but you need to learn it first. It is tricky a little bit because it's 3D software and the interface is complex for beginner, but it has a lot of cool features. GIMP is also a free photo editing app that is similar to Photoshop. These two open source app works wonder, but you need to warm up first with some tutorials. Nothing comes easy for the sake of free. Now let's jump to the most two free important apps that's done great job for recording screen under Windows XP. Just be careful with Cam Studio. This link has a virus based on my Norton System Works antivirus. Search with more caution and install the most updated patches, security updates for maximum protection. When downloading apps, scan them first to check for malware, viruses, Trojan, rootkit, backdoors, and more. Use the company parent website rather than random links. Also, check for the checksum number to compare when downloaded for file comparison. Some other cool screen recording apps out there are not compatible with XP. Don't waste your time checking commercial apps, even they are free to try, because you need to pay to use them for monetize YouTube channels. One example is Bandicam. Sorry, I got lost when typing Webinaria. Just as a final step, the best chosen in the list are VLC and Webinaria, no doubt. Download.cnet.com is safe to use for downloading software, because they check their file safety regularly, but it doesn't mean you have to trust the internet. Viruses are everywhere and they spread fast like the epidemic COVID-19. Ha ha ha. Webinaria is easy to use, but VLC a little bit. Need to follow my demonstration and pay attention so it becomes more clear for you at first.